Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your ISP details and that the modem or gateway is online. Once done, connect the modem to power and the WAN cable. Plug an Ethernet cable from the router to your laptop's Ethernet port or use a USB Ethernet adapter if needed. Make sure indicator lights show link and internet. You do this because a direct wired link reduces variables during initial authentication. Once stable, you'll be ready to configure network settings on the laptop. Now, open your laptop's network settings and enable the active adapter. Once enabled, let the interface request an IP via DHCP so the router assigns addresses automatically. If your ISP requires PPPoE, choose that option and enter the username and password exactly as provided. This authenticates your session. Make sure DNS is set to automatic or manually set to a reliable resolver like 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8. 8. 8. 8 to avoid slow lookups, because proper DNS prevents browsing delays and name resolution errors. Finally, verify the connection by pinging a public IP and loading web pages. Run a speed test to confirm expected bandwidth. If pages fail to load, reboot the modem and router, then restart your laptop and recheck physical cables. This clears transient faults. If authentication errors persist, re-enter PPPoE credentials or call your ISP to confirm account status, because many issues stem from provisioning or outages. One quick troubleshooting tip: replace
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.